Hello everybody. If you're getting ready to replace your brake light switch, this is a very commonly used brake switch part number, and you're wondering how to do that, let me just give you a quick video here on what you need to know before you tackle the job. Once you've located the switch, obviously under the dash, under the steering column, near the brake pedal, there's a plug that's plugged right into the back of this. You remove that electrical connector. The next thing you do is you firmly pull, in this picture, the gray piece out of the white housing. It'll take quite a bit of force to remove. Once you get that out, this is essentially the switch itself. I don't know how it works, but there are no electrical parts in this piece of mounting hardware. But once you get this out, you want to reach around the other end of this white plastic housing and depress these two tabs right here. Press on these two tabs and this housing should be able to be removed. You'll notice that the genuine parts in this particular case are gray, black, and white. I think some aftermarket parts might be all black. If you're working with a Mercedes-Benz that's a lot older, be sure you check the video at the link right up here, which talks about one of the much older style Mercedes-Benz brake light switches and the most important tip on getting it properly set. And then lastly, be sure to check out my channel or subscribe. Based on some preliminary work, looks to me like the genuine Mercedes part is exactly the same as a BMW part and a Land Rover part and a Mini Cooper part. And I'll put up another video up there that sort of explains what I believe is the case, that this switch right here is used on a variety of models.